on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. It is April 13th. Today we are at Cuyahoga National State Park in Ohio, and we are going to do the Pine Grove and Ledges Loop Trail. That starts at Kendall Lake. We tried to do that trail back there, but I don't think that's the right one based on all trails. So I will show you where I think we're going. We're still wandering around the parking lot right now. And by the way, I'm Denise.
So Lake Shelter is that way, Pine Grove is that way, and so is Ledges.
Okay, woohoo! Oh, there's a bunch of hikers up there. Over there. Yeah. Okay, guys, from the parking lot, after you park, you want to walk back out, and we are going, I guess, this way. I have to check all trails. Having downloaded that so far is good. I just hope it doesn't take up all my battery like it does when it's not offline. So I just stabbed my daughter. She's with me and her boyfriend. Can I say her boyfriend's with me? Okay. And I just accidentally stabbed my daughter with my trekking poles. Sorry, baby.
It's all right. It tickled.
So right now it looks like we're on the yellow trail markers, trail blaze. And it looks like we start, well, we know we start at Kendall Lake. We go to a connector trail, Pine Grove Trail, connector, Ledges Trail. There's something called an icebox cave I'd like to see. And connector trail, Pine Grove Trail, connector, and then back to Kendall Lake. So it looks like we go back and forth between those trails. We'll let you know if that's really what happens. So pretty, and then we have all those steps to go up. Of course, because we just went down a hill. And we came from up there. Not bad. Of course, I'm saying that before we go up the steps. Okay guys, we just came from down there. You can see the road. Maybe there's a car right up there, and that I don't think you can see it. But according to all trails, it looks like we can go to the left or to the right. And we are, I'll show you the left, and we're going to the right. Here's a crossroads. It says on the sign that there's an overlook, which is a half mile that way, and Pine Grove Loop goes the way we came or this way. So which way do you want to go, guys?
Which way we're supposed to?
If we go that way, I think we're going a half mile out of our way. Okay, so we're doing the Pine Grove Loop, and we're going to double check with all trails, but I'm pretty sure that's right. What?
I said not sponsored by all trails.
You notice I say videotape.
Because you're old.
Did y'all hear that? She called me old.
Are you recording?
I just started. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. It says Pine Grove Trails to the right, to the right, to the right, or straight, or octagon ledges, which is where I think we want to go. And I'm going to check all trails, but I want to show you this because it just looks awesome here. I didn't show you back there either. We'll show you if we go by. The trees looked purple. My daughter may have gotten a picture she can send me. Blondie. So it's a beautiful day. I thought about coming here tomorrow, but it's supposed to be 72, which is really, really awesome. Or, and thunderstorms. Don't know if you all can see this, but there are some purple trees here. Can anyone put in the comments, please, what they are? Because I've never seen purple trees before. And there's a hole. Is that a hole in the trees, guy?
No, it's a log that it looks like it was cut.
Okay.
You talking about that one with the split?
Oh, I see it. I see it now. Yeah, that's not a hole. It's Nooney's eyes. Thanks, Blondie.
You're welcome.
She has full right to change her name, but she has beautiful, naturally blonde hair, and I just called her Blondie. And we are also with Grumpy. Oh, it looks like we're coming down to a road here. The road's on the right and the trail is on the left. So I don't think we're road walking. It's muddy here. I want to use my trekking poles because my daughter who bought them for me especially is here. But I use them all the time.
I believe you.
See, you heard it. You guys in YouTube land are witnesses. She believes it.
Yep, no sarcasm whatsoever.
Never. Not with Mom. Okay, I was wrong. We do cross. We just... They're walking behind me. We just came up from there. Right over there is where I said, nope, we don't cross the road. But
We crossed the road.
we crossed the road. Here we go. Okay, here's a parking lot here. More restrooms, and their restrooms are open. I think we're by the ledges. I don't know. I think we have to hike up to them. So I'll show you when we get closer. Here's the parking lot. These trees are gorgeous. I'm going that way, guys. I'm not doing a full circle this time. Now, according to this sign, Pine Grove, where we came from, I'm not getting you, and Ledges Shelter that way, and it says overlook this way. So maybe we would have been fine by going to the overlook, but I don't think we would have seen this beautiful scenery that we see here. This is so pretty. Okay, I have to go off the trail. It looks like this is a trail. You guys want to come back here?
Sure, are you recording?
Yeah.
Are you? Oh, you are.
Oh, so pretty. It's a trail.
Huh?
Don't know where. Oh, maybe the overlooks, the Ledges overlook.
Maybe.
Make that so pretty. Okay, folks, if you're ever on this trail, all trails will tell you to come by the Ledgers Shelter, but we were on the Ledgers Trail, we would have had a prettier view had we stayed on it and come down this way. So that means, but we had an easier trail, I think. Ooh, so pretty. Look at the size of those trees. Now this is a road, it looks like, more than a trail. But check that tree out. Oh, and these rocks. Boulder City here, and it's not that hard of a trail. So often the trails with rocks are pretty difficult. This has been super easy. This is gorgeous. Oopsie. There are a ton of people in here today. There's a couple things going on. My daughter pointed out that looks like a butt, and it does. The other one is Sunday, Monday, happy days. The happy days. Happy days. What day were we on? I don't know.
Thursday.
Friday, happy days. What a day. Da, da, da. I don't know. We're just being goofy. So it's just rocks everywhere you look here. Just totally gorgeous. We saw two nice men for AA trucking live streaming, and honestly I'm not sure what live streaming is, so I don't know if I'm on there live or not. And according to All Trails, we're kind of off the trail, but I don't think we are. But I wanted to show you this really cool wall up here, and then I'll check to make sure we're going the right way. But isn't this awesome? This is a really cool, perfect day. This makes me wonder what was here, because nature didn't make these rocks. Well, they made the rock stuff, but they didn't form the wall so perfectly. So I wonder if horses and buggies came down here. Was there a house over there? It's pretty flat. The trees aren't terribly old there. So those are just random thoughts that go through my mind as I wander through the woods. La 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 la. Okay, All Trails sent me a note that says I'm off the trail. Okay guys, we were going the wrong way, and here's a good thing with All Trails, because they sent me a message saying I was going the wrong way to get on trail, and we're going down these steep steps here. The box cave is closed due to something, a spread of something.
White nose syndrome.
White nose syndrome. So we're going down this fun hill here. I'll let you know when we see something interesting.
That affects bats.
Hey guys, a couple things are happening here. It's kind of muddy, so I keep looking down, and it looks like a road, but we came through here already. What happened, we went down the steps by the cave, which we couldn't go into, and we kind of got turned around a bit and ended up heading in the direction where we came from in a different way, kind of, but decided we were going to just turn around and go back to the car. So that's where we're heading now, because you know my trail name, New Knees, and both of my daughters have knee problems, and I'm with my oldest now, and her knees are hurting her. So we decided that the best thing to do will be turn around. Can I say your age?
Go for it.
Okay, so, and she said I can tell you guys, and the reason she said I could tell you is because she's 34. She will be 34. I'm getting a look to kill right now. She's 33. She'll be 34 in July. But the reason we're telling you is so other people, young people, might have knee problems too and can relate with her. So my knee problems started in my late 20s, early 30s, when they would lock and I couldn't even walk. And Blondie over there, when she was maybe 3, would say, "I'll help you walk, Mommy." And I was young and thin and in shape, but my knees just would give out and lock, and it was horrible. So the family's out here hiking, bad knees and all. Bad knees and new knees. That should be your trail name. No, I got a definite no on that one. We're finished with our walk. Blondie and Grumpy decided not to be part of the exit video, recap video. They were going to, and we had something really neat planned, but maybe next time. The trail was awesome. Saw some pretty incredible rocks, breathtaking. Can't say they were as good as Natural Bridge or the Gorge, but breathtaking still. And quite a few baby rock scrambles. I asked Blondie what her favorite part of the trail was, and she said the rocks. So what was the worst part of the trail? She said her knees. So that wasn't part of the trail. That was her physical issue. So the trail did affect her knees. So I guess in a way, Yeah, it was. But yeah, all three of us loved it. Oh, people are coming. I don't want them in it. Unless they want to be in it. But I'm thinking maybe a Black Friday family camp, well, not camp, hiking trip. This would be awesome. Why am I walking backwards? So goofy sometimes. But I would recommend this. This was not hard. Nothing about it was hard. Where did I park? Oh, over there. But yeah, the hills aren't that bad. So if you want to see lots of rocks and you're not in for a really hard trail, this is it. So I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for watching Adventures with the Noonies. Have an awesome day. If you like what you see, please press the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.